My dog Max does not like getting his nails cut, so I had to find a secondary solution to this problem, and I came upon this little box contraption on Amazon. So the way it works is that you have a little finger indent here, and you can open the box slightly, stuff it with treats, and let your dog see that there's something in there. Then you close it up, and they're going to start scratching the surface. So as you can see, Max definitely had a little bit of a go with it yesterday, and my favorite part about this is that it's totally replaceable. After a while, of course, this is going to get really worn down, so you can just switch it out, and they send you 2 replacements of each of the parts, a total of 4. So it's definitely super useful to have that on hand as well. Check this out. You'll just peel and stick this whenever needed. And I definitely think it's a better way to get Max's nails filed down without scaring him or traumatizing him with the whole cutting his nails, which he definitely doesn't like. On the bottom, you're going to find 4 suction cups. These really help hold this to the ground as your dog is playing with it and trying to get those treats. And my favorite part about this is that they totally come off super easy. So you can just remove them if you don't like them and put it in whenever you need them. So go check this out on Amazon. It's definitely a must-have for me from now on.